Hello and welcome to Digit. In this video, we will be unboxing the Belkin Lightning to USB-A cable. On the front of the box, we have an image of the cables and the two interfaces. Up top is some Belkin branding. Here we have the model name. Underneath that, we have some information regarding what the cable is made for. Here it says that it is made for iPhones and iPads. Over here, we have a couple of the salient features, which include the cable's length, which is 3.3 feet or 1 meter. On the right, we have some information regarding its durability, and here it says that it is durability tested with 8,000 plus bends. There's nothing on the top. The left hand side of the package simply has a slogan that says better with Belkin. The right hand side has a list of the products that this cable is compatible with. On the bottom, we have some information regarding the warranty, but we recommend that you consult the Amazon product page for all the relevant information regarding the warranty first. On the back, we have some more information about the cable. Here it says that the cable can be used to charge your iPhone or iPad and securely transfer data. It supports standard charging speeds of up to 12 watts. Over here, they have called out a couple more features. First of which is M5 certification to meet Apple's performance standards and reinforced cable construction that provides strength and flexibility. Over here, we have a sticker which has information regarding the importing, manufacturing, and customer care. That's about it in terms of what is on the outside of the box, so let's get into it now. Inside the box, we have some reading material, the first of which is a declaration of conformity and some FCC rules and regulations. Uh, You can go through this at your leisure. Next up is a warranty information or warranty card, but it seems to be in a foreign language. Once again, please consult the Amazon product page for all the relevant information regarding the warranty first. Coming to the cable itself, as we already know, it's a Lightning to USB Type A cable, meaning that it has a Lightning interface on one end and a USB Type A interface on the other. When it comes to the interface jackets, the Lightning side has the Belkin logo, while the USB side has the Belkin brand name. In terms of color, it's black all the way around, a matte black, and the cable itself is quite sturdy and thick. As we already know, the cable is 3.3 feet or 1 meter long. To see the cable in action, we have a power strip right here with a iPhone compatible charger. And we also have a compatible device, which happens to be an iPhone. As we can see, once connected, it immediately starts to charge the device. The cable can also be used to sync the iPhone with the compatible device like a PC or a MacBook. So this was the unboxing of the Belkin Lightning to USB-A cable. Thank you for watching and we'll see you in the next one.